setup for the Supercharger Whine Mod. This is the driver's side inlet, and I drilled my hole right over here. As you can see, I'm tapped in with this line, this sound tube going all the way through here, and then it connects over here. I zip tied it to this strut bar going down in through the firewall. So it's right over through that firewall. And you can see, excuse the mess on the ground, that's where it went through. So underneath, next to all the pedals and next to the wires, I had to cut this a little bit to kind of fit this hose through, or the sound tube. But overall, it's not too bad. Gives you a lot more sound, and it was pretty easy to install, and it's also cheap. We both did it at the same time.
Driving down the hills in these luxury cars. Okay, know from where we came, but we shoot for the stars. Oh yeah, I cannot complain. I've been blessed by the God.